got one on. I'm not sure what it is, but it's gonna tangle up my line, that's for sure. Oh, come on, baby, just come up. Something got some weight to it. Oh, didn't expect it to be that big. All right, I've spun all the way around. I have no clue where my other line is. All right, come here, buddy. You need to get in this net like now. Oh, woo! Come on, buddy. I don't know if that got my go. Yeah, it definitely got my GoPro. Ah, crap. Hang on. All right, that's good enough. All right, let me let this line out. Oh yeah, he's a fat little guy. See if I can pull this out. Oh, look at that. He was barely hooked. Or maybe he was hooked better than it looked. There it goes. Ooh. Alright, I am snagged on myself. Alright, let's get him out of here and take a little look at him. Oh. Alright, he is not a bad fish. Ow. Alright, hopefully I can get all that. Alright, and off he goes. Alright, GoPro, stop recording.